Hey guys, just finished doing the essay for now anyway. I'll do the rest of it later, but buddy just texted me and he's like, hey man, let's go out and skate. So I'm about to go out and skateboard, so I just thought I'd, do sort of a cinematic vlog. I've only done one, so I figured, hey, it's a beautiful day outside, let's try and do another one. So we'll see how it goes. How's it going, guys? You trying to go outside? Me too. It's nice outside. I know, right? I know. Alright. Just gotta go over to my friend's house. He lives right across the street, so it won't be too bad. But, yeah. What's good, guys? Alright. Let's go freaking skate. What's good, y'all? Killing it. About to go skate. Oh shit. As I fall on camera. They ride penny boards. I ride a longboard. Yeah. This is like our favorite spot to chill, right? It's right here. This is where Ethan and I would be like, we'd go to Dollar Tree, which is like right down there, and get, what was it?
Bubble gum.
But it was a specific kind. It was like, oh no, it was Big League Chew.
Big League
That's
Chew.
what it was. It was Big League Chew. Forgot to end the video. Sorry, it got too dark, so I needed some light. But anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos that I do, and be sure to like and subscribe, and then hit that bell. So yeah, just keep an eye out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.